are the best new AI tools of the year. This is just so much fun and you can get stuck in it for hours.
Will AI take over almost all the jobs in the human realm? It seems the use cases are increasing day by day and we're laying out the uses for you here. One thing we can be sure of is, it's better to upskill rather than deny it altogether. These days, people often say that AI won't steal jobs, but people who use AI will steal jobs from those who don't. If you want to do well, it's important to know how AI affects your job and learn how to use it for your tasks. Smart bosses will help their employees learn about AI by adding AI training to their learning programs. If your boss isn't doing this, don't worry, there are lots of free resources online to learn from. Just start exploring and you'll find a better employer soon. You can get into AI without being a computer whiz. In 2024, there are tons of new jobs you could do. Besides the folks who build AI systems, there are jobs like prompt engineers who tell AI what to do, and AI managers who lead virtual teams. More jobs in AI are popping up like project managers, trainers, and ethicists. But if you're a tech person, don't worry. There are still lots of new jobs for you, like AI engineering and DevOps. Lawmakers have always struggled to keep up with technology, but now they're starting to pay attention because AI is really shaking things up. China has laws against making deepfakes without permission. Other places like the European Union, US, and India are also making rules about this. The UK might have a new law in 2024, and the European Union might have one in 2025. The new laws will try to find a middle ground between keeping people safe from AI messing up their jobs and privacy, and letting new ideas and businesses happen. Figuring out exactly where to draw those lines will be a big topic in politics in 2024. You might not notice it right away, but quantum computing is getting more attention. It can really speed up certain tricky calculations that AI needs. Instead of regular computer bits that are just 1 or 0, quantum bits can be both at the same time. Here's why quantum computing is an awesome thing. It's way better than regular computers at solving tough problems like finding the best mix of lots of stuff. In 2024, we'll probably see more ways to use quantum computing to make even bigger and fancier AI programs. AI helps make recommendation engines that help you connect better with your customers. These suggestions are based on what they've looked at before and what they like. It's a great way to strengthen your bond with customers and make them stick with your brand. Online shopping just got better with virtual shopping helpers and chatbots. They make the shopping experience feel more personal by talking to you like a real person, and they can chat with you right away. And guess what? Soon, you might be chatting with chatbots for customer service on Amazon. E-commerce companies have big problems with credit card fraud and fake reviews. But the best thing is, AI can help out. It looks at how people use their credit cards to spot fraud and can also find and deal with fake reviews. So, you can shop online more safely and trust those reviews more. Even though humans mostly run the education sector, AI is starting to make its way in too. It's helping teachers be more productive by taking care of some office tasks. That way, teachers can focus more on students and less on paperwork. You can even use it for carrying out administrative tasks automated to aid educators. AI can help teachers with tasks like sending personalized messages to students, grading papers, organizing parent meetings, giving feedback, handling enrollment, courses, and HR stuff. We can use AI to turn stuff like video lectures and textbooks into digital content. Then, we can customize it for different grades with things like animations to make learning more fun. AI makes learning more interesting by making audio and video summaries and lesson plans. Students can get extra help or learn materials just by talking to voice assistants, even if the teacher isn't around. With really good AI, we can track students' data, like their habits and study plans. Then we can make personalized stuff for them like reminders, study guides, and flashcards. Easy! When we talk about in lifestyle, what's the one thing that came to your mind? For us, it's Tesla. Car companies like Toyota, Audi, Volvo, and Tesla use machine learning to teach computers to drive like humans and spot things on the road to prevent accidents. Another juicy bit is using AI in preventing spam. The email we use every day has AI that sorts out spam emails so we only see the important stuff. Gmail, a popular email service, is really good at filtering spam. It catches about 99.9% of it. Another thing would be the face recognition area. Our phones, laptops, and computers use facial recognition to keep our stuff safe. It scans our faces to let us in securely. Besides personal use, lots of industries use facial recognition for security too. Can AI really help us with navigation? As in like guiding you to go somewhere to be straight. That's what Google Maps has been doing so far. According to MIT research, GPS can give us really good info to stay safe on the road. It uses a mix of fancy AI networks to figure out stuff like how many lanes a road has, even if there's stuff blocking the view. Companies like Uber and delivery services use AI a lot to work better, check traffic, and find the best routes. The Kalman filter has been a go-to for navigation and guidance since the 1960s. But lately, artificial neural networks have been shaking things up. These ANNs can learn from data and improve over time, which makes them really handy for inertial navigation tasks. ANNs have two main phases. First, they're taught a set of rules to learn from data and recognize patterns. Then, they make corrections based on that data to get the desired results. One company called Advanced Navigation is using a type of ANN called long short-term memory for navigation. It's good at handling sensor data with variable time gaps between events. Also, it has three types of memory: long-term learning in the lab, short-term learning in the field, and deep learning every minute. AI is changing the game in military and defense as well. It helps by giving better awareness of what's going on and making security and warfare more efficient. AI lets drones fly on their own, find their way, and do missions without a pilot. These drones can scout, watch over things, and hit targets more accurately, all while keeping human operators safer. AI helps ground vehicles do jobs like watching, finding info, and moving stuff around. They can handle tough landscapes and do tasks without a person controlling them directly. AI makes soldier suits and fake body parts better, giving them more strength, movement, and stamina. It does this by looking at loads of data from sensors, satellites, and cameras. AI helps the military by recognizing images, finding objects, and analyzing signals to give them useful info for making decisions. It also spots patterns and trends in big sets of data, which helps find possible threats or unusual stuff that could be risky. AI is changing how stuff gets moved around, from finding the best routes to fixing things before they break. In delivery, AI helps figure out the quickest way to get packages to people's doors, thinking about things like packet size and when folks want their stuff. This makes deliveries faster and cheaper. AI keeps an eye on vehicles and gear all the time, checking data from sensors to see when they need fixing. This helps cut down on downtime, making things last longer, and saves money in repairs. AI keeps an eye on vehicles and gear all the time, checking sensor data to see when they need fixing. So, what do you think about the AI boom? Should we be concerned or get prepared for the change? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Until next time, see you all.